Okay, this is an amazing day on the 15th of July 2023. We have Porvoonkatu, it would be Porvoonkatu in Swedish, and building 7, staircase B. We filmed the staircase A, and the staircase, was it C we filmed?
Yeah.
And yeah, then it's only the staircase B left to be filmed here.
Yeah.
As soon as possible, it's here in Kerava, in the Helsinki region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. And there are also 6 floors here. It was built in 1973, turning 50 years old this year, 2023, and the December SVS 3195 is going to be inspected this year, 2024. The cost is 4 birds that are 20 grams. And it's upstairs. I like the smell in here.
Same. Tittbakgewijs, dat met den bouwtesoner is cryptis.
I also like this navy blue color.
Same.
Thank you very much for watching. Sorry.
That's